Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is CJ, and I'm going to show you how to create a free YouTube channel art or channel banner for your YouTube channel. Here we go! Websites that you can use for free. There's no cost for them. Canva.com or Adobe Spark. I'm going to show you the dimensions, what you need to do to make it work for the computer or laptop and also for your phone, because a lot of people are on the phone more or less than the computer itself. You really want to make sure your channel banner is set good for the smartphones, the iPhones, the Androids, and whatnot. Alright, let's get into it and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, before I start anything, let me show you my channel banner, okay? This is my channel banner. It has a clear message, straight to the point, how-to videos. My logo is the same as my channel profile, which is recommended. You don't have to do that, but it's recommended that you have a channel one-liner, right? What do you stand for? What do you do the most on your channel? What stands out that you could say, hey, this is what I do? Put it on your channel banner. Put your logo in the middle or on the left, right, somewhere that would match the profile logo. You don't have to put your schedule. Alright, so now what I want to show you is the difference between the computer version and the phone. Now, this is on the computer. I'm on my laptop, so this is what it would look like on a computer. But now if somebody was on the YouTube app on their phone, this is what they would see. And now I'm putting it in red in a rectangle, and I want to show you this is what they would see. Basically, right about here, they would see straight to the point, how-to video, CJsINFO, my face, and that's it. Everything on the left and right, they wouldn't see. Now, everything on the left and right is not really that important. This is just more added features that you can have for the computer version, but what's more serious and more important is the fact that the middle area is the most viewed or most seen when someone goes to your channel. Now, does it mean that someone's going to subscribe because you have an awesome channel banner or you're going to get more views? No. It does help your channel stand out and let your audience know what you stand for or what you do the most on YouTube, okay? So I know some channels out there, Ladybug Seafood Boil. She has no channel banner. She wants to know how to create a channel banner. Also, another buddy of mine, Steven Letts, has no channel banner. And I'm going to show both of you guys and anyone else who doesn't have a channel banner how to make this work, again, for the computer or your phone, even for tablets. Tablets are a little different as well. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so I actually have my sharing my screen on my app here. I'm showing it. This is exactly how it would look on the phone. For my channel, this is what it looks like. See how I drew that box? It's cut off. That is exactly how it is. Now look, it's still bold, it's still big. You can still understand it, straight to the point, how-to videos, you can read it. The logo matches, okay? So it makes sense. That's what you want, guys. You want your channel banner to make sense with your channel name and your channel profile logo right here, okay? All three of these should have some kind of connection or at least make sense, okay? So, how do we actually do this? What I want to show you right now is the dimensions for your YouTube channel, okay? You really want to pay attention to the dimensions. Now, this is a website called Wiseowl. I'll put the link in the description. And you're going to want to save this template. Just right-click. If you're using Windows, right-click and save it. Just save it to your desktop. YouTube banner sizing, okay? So now it's saved. You have this image. You're going to save this whole thing. So basically what you're trying to do is you want to cater to the different devices that someone could be watching your channel on. So there's a desktop, there's a TV, there's a mobile, there's even tablets, okay? So there's really 4 different ways your channel banner could be appearing or look. However, there's one important way that you want it to look, and that's called the safe area. This middle portion is called the safe area. 1546 by 423. These are pixels. Start with Canva, go on the website, connect your Google account. Alright, so you're going to click on Create a Design at the top right. Create a design. Well, what kind of design do you want? You can scroll down and look for one. Full dimensions are actually 2560 by 1440. Just ignore that. That's what they're setting it at. This is just the full size that they're going to give you, okay? But we're going to work with this. So first we need to find a template, right? So what do you do on your channel? Okay, Ladybug Seafood. She talks about seafood and other foods, mostly seafood, okay? So what we're going to do is just type in food in the search box here, up here in the top left, and we're going to search. We're going to find some templates that we might like that are about food, okay? So that's pretty cool. You want to get one that has kind of a bright colors, not too dark, but something where you could put your channel name in the middle. You definitely want to have your channel name in the banner. This is pretty cool. I like this a lot. Let's just say we're going with this one here. Okay, Ladybug Seafood Boil 51. This says new episodes, but you could say, you know, new videos or live. She goes live a lot, so you could say live streams every week, videos every Friday. I'm just making this up for an example, okay? You can change the color, whatever you want to do. You just click in the box, and then you're going to click in the background box, and you click on that and change the color. Very easy to do. Okay, so now how do we make sure that this is fitting the proper dimensions, right? We need to make sure this is fitting the dimensions. We're going to have to upload. Click on uploads on the left. We're going to have to upload that template that we downloaded, YouTube banner sizing, remember? So we're uploading it because we want to make sure that this is actually in the proper safe zone dimensions. So what you're going to do is you're going to stretch it out to the max size. Don't go any more. Just stretch it out. Grab this white bar at the top. Bring it down to the middle because we're not really worried about the top and bottom. We're more concerned about the safe zone area. So now you want to right click on it and you want to click send backward. Do it again. Send backward. Alright, so we're putting it behind the word. So it's helping us see where exactly our words are going to be placed. So it looks like the words will be slightly cut off. You want to have it within the blue here, the safe area, okay? This is the safe area, this blue box right here. So we want to say welcome to Ladybug Seafood, and then live streams every week, whatever you want to say. Now if you want to make sure this is all filled up so it looks good, now you can make this bigger, smaller, however you want to do it. Now imagine that this blue background is the background here, okay? Because that's what it's going to be. We're going to delete this, but you want to imagine that the background you have is going to replace this blue area. So kind of figure out how big you want to make your text. You can also mess around with the font sizes, whatever you want to do. Move it away. It's not too bad. You can move the fonts anywhere you want. You don't have to have welcome to. You can just have Ladybug Seafood Boil. So how are we going to test it out? So before I do anything, I'm going to cut this. Alright, so we're going to test this out. We're going to download this. You're going to click the download button in the top right. And hit the download button again. And now it's going to download. It's going to download to your downloads folder on your computer. And now we need to upload it to YouTube, okay? We're going to go to the YouTube channel that you have. So I'm actually going to use my other channel that I have. It's just a dummy channel to test things out. Alright, so you're going to click on Customize Channel on your home page on the computer. Once you're into the actual YouTube studio on the computer, you're going to go to where it says Branding. Now you're going to upload the Canva banner that you downloaded to your computer in Downloads. Double click or open. Okay, and boom. You see that? It actually shows you what it will look like. But you wouldn't know this unless you had the dimensions prior to. So if you place your mouse cursor over these things, what's in gray is going to show. They're trying to let you know if you go viewable on TV, this is what it would look like on TV. If I say viewable on desktop, this is what will look like on desktop. If I say viewable on all devices, which would be mostly like the phone, the tablet, this is what it would look like on the phone. And this is more important because there's more people on the phone nowadays than it is on TV or on the desktop. Alright, and look, the desktop really doesn't have that much more to show. So again, work on the phone version. That is the one, the safe area. You want to work on that one. So if you're ready to go, you're going to hit done. You have to publish it to make it official. Hit publish. Okay, there it is. Welcome to Ladybug Seafood Boil 51. Live streams every week, videos every Friday. I just made that date up. It doesn't matter. You can say what you want. Okay, so that actually looks pretty good. Honestly, it does not look bad to me. For the most part, the channel name is there, and when you drop videos or go live, that's really all you need, guys. Most important is just the dimensions. Understanding the dimensions, using that template, that dimension template, okay, and putting that in Canva, sending it backward, that's important so you know what it's going to look like, where everything will be placed. And again, if we were looking at this on the phone, this is what it would look like. It would look like this. Just this portion. It would not have the left. It would not have the right side. Alright? If you want to use Adobe Spark, you can use Adobe Spark. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!